Good morning, you guys. Today we caught a little sort of scalp, I guess. Yeah, it was a scalp. I was in it for maybe a couple minutes. But we made $360. I'll tell you guys what happened. So price, or as you guys can see, price wasn't moving the best. Sorry, I'm still a little tired. I didn't sleep the best last night, but and you can see we're already done with the trading day at 6:56. I thought a little clock would pop up, but 6:56, and we're already done trading. So but we were in a little uptrend. Took this on ES. NQ inverse day 15-minute fair value gap with these candles, and I really wanted to enter off that, but it was a fake out. Caught that. I like to enter with fair value gaps, so like right here, I could have entered right here. But I wanted a little more confluence. When we had this huge down candle, I thought ES wanted to come down and sweep these lows after that, so that is why I didn't enter that. So then I was waiting, and then saw we were continuing this uptrend. Saw this fair value gap lined up with equilibrium of this little range. Saw how it reacted, tapped, almost tapped or it did tap EQ, sorry, right here. And then yeah, I entered off that. Didn't get the best entry. Would have liked it to be down here, been something like that, but still got a 2-to-1 risk to reward. About, sorry, this isn't accurate anymore, but still got a 2-to-1. Made $360. Still having trouble with sizing on ES, entering too heavy or too little. So I think 10 might be the perfect number for me. But yeah, quick day today, already done. Think I'm gonna go golf today. Me and my friends are celebrating my birthday tonight. Something I also wanted to tell you guys is that I've been trying to get closer to God, and think He's gonna help me with this process more than I could know. And my girlfriend got me this book for my birthday. It's Jesus First for Men, and it's 365 devotions. It's a devotion a day. I've only been reading it for 2 days now, but I honestly love it. Each day is a verse from the Bible, and it kind of, after it reads that verse, it explains what that verse means. So if you guys are kind of like me, getting closer with God and everything, I do have my Bible right here. This is kind of helping me understand it a little better than just diving straight into this. But I just wanted to bring that up to you guys. But yeah, no, I think He's going to do a huge part in the process of doing this. So I just wanted to let you guys know, if you are struggling to understand some things, I love this. I've only had it for 2 days, but it is awesome. But yeah, no, I hope you guys have a great weekend. I keep saying I'm going to try to film content for you guys. It's just very hard for me right now. It's very awkward holding a camera around, so I'm trying to get more used to it, guys. I promise I'm going to have a vlog hopefully out by the end of the month for you guys. So yeah, hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you guys Monday.